Good morning, students. In my previous video, I explained you chapter 6, computer keyboard. So, in my previous video, I explained you about alphabet keys. How many alphabet keys are there? There are 26 alphabet keys, A to Z. With the help of these alphabet keys, you can type words and sentences on a computer. Then I explained you about number keys. How many number keys are there? There are 10 number keys, 0 to 9. Now can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So if you want to write 10, so you have to press number 1 and 0. So it will become 10. And if you want to type 11, so you have to press number 1 2 times. Suppose you want to type 45. So you have to press key 4 and 5. In this way you can write counting on the computer, and you can do sums also. And third was special keys. There are different type of special keys on a keyboard. Number 1 was space bar key. Space bar key, as you can see here on the keyboard, it is present in the last row. Keyboard के सबसे नीचे स्पेस बार की होती है and it is the longest key on the keyboard. ये सबसे बड़ी की होती है and rest of the keys या buttons, they are small in size. As the name indicates, space bar, space means जगह. So what is the purpose of the space bar key? The purpose of the space bar key is that it leaves space between two words. Like if I have written here Riya Bhatia, so there is no space. So what we have to do, first I will write Riya, then I will press this longest key, space bar key, then this space will come between Riya and Batra, and then I can type Batra. So the space bar key, it helps to keep space between two words. Now next is the enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. So what is a cursor? Cursor is a small blinking line. What is a cursor? As you can see here, when we type anything, so there is a small line, as you can see here, after the word. So this small blinking line is known as cursor. So this small blinking line is known as cursor. And what is the meaning of blinking? Blinking means twinkle. Like stars, they twinkle. Sometimes they are visible and sometimes they are not visible. So in the same way, this cursor light, it blinks. So enter key. The enter key is used to move the cursor to the next line. Now, what is the purpose of the enter key? So when you write in your notebook and your first line is complete, आपकी जो first line है वो complete हो गई है, finish हो गई है, then what do? Where do you write? You write in next line. So in the same way, enter key helps us to write it in the next line. It moves the cursor to the next line so that we can write a new line. A keyboard has two enter keys. As you can see here, there are two enter keys. One is here and second one is here. And they are of different shapes. इनकी जो शेप्स होती हैं वो डिफरेंट होती हैं. How many enter keys are there? There are 2 enter keys on the keyboard and they are of different shape. Now comes the backspace key. The backspace key works like an eraser. The backspace key works like an eraser. By pressing this key, you can erase the text which is on the left side of the cursor one by one. So my question is, when you make a mistake, जब आप कोई mistake करते हो, what do? You erase that wrong word with the help of eraser. आप उस wrong word को eraser से rub कर देते हो. But in computer we don't use eraser. Computer में हम eraser use नहीं करते. So in place of eraser we use backspace key. अगर हम backspace key को press करते हैं तो उससे वो जो wrong word है it can be deleted. So as you can see here, backspace key. This is the first line and second line. In second line you can see backspace key. So if you will make a mistake, how can you erase it? As you can see here, I live in Delhi. What is spelling of in? I-N-in. Spelling of in is in. But by mistake, I have written double N in. So this is wrong. So, now where is the cursor? जब हम type करते हैं तो cursor अब कहाँ है? Delhi पर. Now if I will press this backspace key, here is a backspace key. If I will press this backspace key, so this cursor it will come after in. So this N we can remove so that correct spellings can be written on the computer. So what is the purpose of the backspace key? So backspace key it works like an eraser. ये रबड़ की तरह काम करता है और अगर कोई वर्ड गलत हो जाता है तो हम उसको रिमूव कर सकते हैं. Now caps lock key. The caps lock key is used to type in capital letters. Now caps means capital. When you have to write special names, what do? You write in capital. अगर आप जो special names होते हैं जैसे कि for example name of a person, name of a city, name of a country, so that special words you have to write it in capital letter. So how you are going to write capital in capital letters on the computer? So this can be done with the help of caps lock key. As you can see here, in the beginning of this keyboard, from down it is third line. From down it is third line and it is written here caps. C-A-P-S, caps, L-O-C-K. So when you will press this caps lock key, so to write in capital you have to press this caps lock key. It will be written in capital. And suppose if you want to write it in the small letters, again you have to press the caps lock key and you will be able to write in small letters. So with the help of caps lock key, अगर आप एक बार अगर press करते हो caps lock key को, उससे आप capital में लिख सकते हो. And suppose if you want to write in small, then you have to again press the caps lock key. अब फिर से अगर आप caps lock key को press करोगे तो you will be able to write in small letters. So the caps lock key is used to type in capital letters. Press the caps lock key once. This will turn on the light of the caps lock key on the keyboard. तो जब आप caps lock key को press करोगे तो उस आपके कीबोर्ड पे एक रेड कलर की लाइट आ जाएगी. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि आप उसमें कैपिटल लिख सकते हो. अगर आप उसको फिर से प्रेस करोगे तो दैट light will disappear and you will be able to write in small letters. Now comes the arrow keys. Now there are 4 arrow keys as you can see here. This is up arrow, down arrow, left arrow, right arrow. So with the help of this arrow keys you can move the cursor. जो वो blinking line है आप उसको cursor को ऊपर लेके जा सकते हो, नीचे लेके जा सकते हो, left side लेके जा सकते हो, right hand side ले सकते हो. So can you spot 4 keys with arrows marked on them? These are called arrow keys. So as you can see here, it is present down bottom of the keyboard. So these are called arrow keys. These keys are used to move the cursor on the monitor in 4 directions. इस को प्रेस करने से आप कर्सर को अप, डाउन, लेफ्ट और राइट मूव कर सकते हो. एंड व्हाट इज अ कर्सर? आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, इट इज अ स्मॉल ब्लिंकिंग लाइन ऑन द मॉनिटर. इस तरह की एक लाइन होती है जहां पे हम टाइप करते हैं. टाइप करने के बाद जो लास्ट वर्ड होता है उसके आगे ये ब्लिंकिंग लाइन होती है. इट शोज द पॉइंट वेयर द टेक्स्ट विल बी टाइप्ड. जहां पे हमें नेक्स्ट वर्ड टाइप करना होता है वहां पर ये ब्लिंकिंग लाइन आ जाती है. आई होप दिस टॉपिक इज क्लियर टू यू माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स. थैंक यू.